Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are working on a Chevy Cruze, and in the event that your engine is bogging down, a few things can happen. But in this video we want to talk about the most affordable and easy solution. In the event that you have never ever replaced your air filter, chances are it is very dirty and clogged and interfering with that proper airflow that your engine needs. Thus, engine is beginning to bog down. So let's take a look. First thing, hop inside the car and pop the hood. All right, YouTubers, the hood is open. We have gained access to the engine. Let's hop to the left side, and this is your air filter box. Inside this entire plastic case is your air filter, and you've got several Phillips screws. If you've got the same Chevy Cruze model, we have the Eco engine. Go ahead and loosen up and remove each of those Phillips screws, the entire radius of this case. And that is how large or long these screws are, and that's what they look like. And we will continue to remove the remaining screws. And in our case, there are 6 screws, and all 6 screws are removed. We are now going to have the ability to completely remove the top cover of the air filter. All right, again, all 6 screws, the entire radius around the top cover, are removed. And just be careful as you shift this up. You've got this hose and a couple additional parts. Here's your mass airflow sensor. You do not want to harm that. And down in here, you have your air filter. And let's just carefully pull this out and take a look at down in here. In the event that you have a lot of debris, leaves, or dirt, grab a shop vacuum and vacuum that all out. Clean up this entire inner portion of your airbox case. Now, let's take a look at this. That is extremely dirty. Let's go grab the new filter and compare the old one against the new one. All right, YouTubers, we visited our local AutoZone, and this is the STP air filter model number for the Chevy Cruze. Let's go and open this up and compare the two. And as you can see, there is a big difference. And very clean filter. Very dirty filter. The actual design is slightly different because this one is a few years old and this is the aftermarket brand new one. So from here we are going to hop back and we are going to insert the air filter inside the case. And the portion shown here is going to go down. And just be careful, you want to match this up. And you've got this outer rubber gasket here. Just kind of seat it in the actual opening and make sure it's in there properly. From here, carefully align the top air filter case, and you can then insert all 6 Phillips screws and tighten it down. And as you tighten these, you are inserting a screw into plastic. Do not over tighten it. If you do over tighten it, you increase the chances of cracking the plastic. That's not cool, so just be careful. All right, all 6 screws are secured, and basically that ends the project. As you can see, it's a pretty quick, friendly DIY project.